So this is my new one. This is the Oddulator, which is a scaled down version of the Rozzbox with a different approach. It's made for digital sounds and for use with for live use with an easy to use performance interface. So what's hiding behind the surface is that it also has four oscillators, not two. So with the balance, you can mix those both sections. At first, I go to section 1 and play a note. You're listening now to a sawtooth here. You can choose several waveforms with this knob. You have a pulse width section here, manual, and pulse width modulation here by the LFO. I'm going back now to sawtooth, and if you turn this knob here in the fatten section, you're listening to two oscillators which are detuning. This is all coming from this section 1. Then there is a second range of this knob, which generates sync sounds. And the third section, which generates ring mod sounds. And all this is available 2 times. You have section 2, just the same as section 1, and you can mix those both together and detune them. So you can get quite fat sounds just from those 4 oscillators. And to save controls, I invented this concept just of controlling this. Now I'm coming to the digital filter. It's all digital, the unit. There are envelope macros here. With the first knob of envelope 1, you're choosing a macro, and on the second one, you're adjusting the time of the elements of the envelope that are marked in red. So this one, first macro here, is a standard filter envelope with attack 0 and decay, which can be adjusted. The second macro here is going up and down. And both times now, attack and decay are controlled by the same knob. There are 6 macros here, and I think, and also switchable release, and I think you get many envelopes out of these controls. Then there is a distortion section, which now also can run after the filter. So there is no need to have an external distortion box for this. You can hear the resonance is distorted now. Further, there is a low-fi switch here, which adds, as on the big one, digital effects to the signal. Just as you want. You may find a position that you like. There's also a glitch modulator here, which adds also strange sounds. Strange modulations here, for example, of the oscillators or of the filter. Also quite impressive, I think. And then the third switch here is, third knob is here, aliasing for the oscillators, which can be tuned. I show it at higher ranges. Which is capable of destroying the signal the oscillators produce. Then what we have here is a switch that determines what the knobs do. We have also a second page in red here with the alternate button. And the whole panel can be switched to control the sequencer. It's an inbuilt 16-step sequencer that can be synced by the LFO, by its own LFO, or by external MIDI clock. I tried to switch it on. Have I mentioned that it is a prototype? I hope so. But it's running. adjusting now the gate length. Gate length can be adjusted for each step at first, maybe. So you can make short notes or longer notes. For example, try this. Then you can adjust the pitch for these steps, what you like. Go back to the synthesizer settings here. And now you can tweak the settings. Also can run at pretty high speeds, resulting in just noise. Doesn't make much sense, but it's fun. Well, I think this was it. It has also some patch memories, 3 patch memories, not much. And this is the Oddulator.